feel so close to you right now. It's a force field. I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal. Your love pours down on me, surround me like a waterfall. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now. Stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now. There's no stopping us right now. And there's no stopping us right now. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now.
Eles são só um bando de bocós.
Eu não sei. Tem alguma coisa muito suspeita naquele ali com o penteado esquisito.
Bobagem, Maurice! Vamos, pessoal! Vamos conhecer os bocós!
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Upon that hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say.
Diga, Willy.
Eu gosto deles.
Eu gostei deles, eu gostei deles. Eu gostei primeiro, antes mesmo de conhecer. Eu gostei deles,
Ah,
enfiei
tá.
eles e gostei logo de
Tá.
saída. Você, ô Joe, comparado o quanto eu gostei
Cala a
deles.
boca, tu é muito chato.
A shot in the dark, a past lost in space. Where do I start? The past and the chase. You hunted me down like a wolf, a predator. I felt like a deer in love lights. You love me and I froze in time, hungry for that flesh of mine. But I can't compete with the she-wolf who has brought me to my knees. What do you see in those yellow eyes? 'Cause I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. Falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces.